the last one I'll mention to you is something called Eventful. This is not a CSR example, but it will be. Eventful is a mass calendar for the world. So if you live in a city, if you live in Saskatchewan, everybody who has an event, including this one, you could post this event, if this event were happening in Saskatchewan, to a kind of global open source calendar for the whole city. So if you wanted to see every meeting of every think tank, right down to the Kiwanis Club, every church group, and everything that's going on in the city, everybody can add their own. And a group of customers said, yeah, this is great, we like this, but we don't want to just see events that are going to happen. We want to see events that we would like to see happen. And so they say, they built a demand engine, right? They said, we demand that this band come and play at our town. We demand that Osama bin Laden come and play, pinochle with us. So it doesn't matter what the activity is. What's interesting is that this activity creates centers of gravity in the network, right? So now what's happening is that rock and roll bands, for instance, use Eventful not to plan their tours, not based on where they think there might be customers, but where customers have actually said, we demand change, we demand that you come here, and they're using it to plan their tours. In the same way, we're going to see networked centers of gravity evolve that encourage and promote specific kinds of change among enterprises in the CSR space. So all of these are good examples. They're just the tip of the iceberg, and we can talk about lots of others. But please go check all of those out. And I will tell you that there's a tremendous amount of change about to happen to this space.